Hello, this is Neil Cahoon, Vice President of EMEA here at Epson's 2020 ISE stand. We're now in the experiential section. You can see here there are 3 featured projectors, starting with a LightScene EV-100. We are simulating here a retail environment, first with that EV-100, where we're augmenting an experience onto what would normally be a static retail display. We've got an EB805F, which is an ultra short throw digital signage product, and we're finally finishing with a 1495U, which is a 9,000 lumen projector. What we can see here is we can actually change the reality of this stand just by pressing buttons. So we can simulate a home environment, we can simulate different colors, etc., etc. This, we believe, is the future of retail. If I just walk around quickly to this section, we can see how busy it is actually. You can see here that we are mocking up the difference between a static display, where you really can't do very much, and look at the difference between static display and actual digital signage display, where we're focusing on specific products, bringing these to life, again with this EV-100 product. It really is fantastic. For more information, please visit epson.eu/ProEV or epson.com in the United States, and of course visit rAVe for more details.